Every single day, over 1.9 billion Coca Cola products are consumed worldwide. But have you ever wondered how this iconic drink is actually made? What if I told you there are some secrets hidden deep within its production process? Secrets that the company would rather you not know. Stay with me, because once you see what goes into making a bottle of Coke, you may never look at it the same way again. The story of Coca Cola begins with one of the most guarded trade secrets in the world, the legendary Coca Cola formula. It's so secretive that only a handful of people on Earth actually know its full composition. Sounds like something out of a spy movie, right? The ingredients? Well, we all know about carbonated water, sugar, and caffeine. But what about the mysterious merchandise 7X? It's an essential part of the flavor, yet its exact components remain undisclosed to the public. I mean, when a drink has a name that sounds like a classified government project, you know they're hiding something. But that's just the beginning. The real magic happens when these ingredients come together inside Coca-Cola's massive production plants. And trust me, it's not as simple as you think. Once the ingredients are gathered, Coca-Cola's massive factories kick into high gear. Imagine a system so advanced that it can produce 2,000 bottles per minute. That's over 33 bottles every second. First, the syrup concentrate, containing that mysterious merchandise 7X, is mixed with purified water. Then, precise amounts of carbon dioxide are injected under high pressure, giving Coca-Cola that satisfying fizz. And believe it or not, the amount of carbonation is different in every country. Yes, your Coke might taste different depending on where you are. Ever felt like Coca-Cola tastes way better at McDonald's? Well, you're not imagining things. But that's a story for another video. Once the liquid is ready, it moves to the bottling stage, where robotic arms fill and seal each bottle in a matter of milliseconds. But even with this level of automation, not everything is perfect. Here's something most people don't know. Not every bottle of Coca-Cola actually makes it to the store shelves. Before a bottle gets shipped, it must pass a series of ruthless quality control tests. Machines scan for inconsistencies in the level of carbonation, color, and even the tiniest defects in the bottle itself. If something isn't perfect, that bottle is immediately destroyed. Imagine working hard your whole life, only to be rejected for not being fizzy enough. Brutal. But what happens to these rejected bottles? Do they just disappear? Not exactly. Some are recycled, while others are simply thrown away, raising concerns about waste and environmental impact. Once the perfect bottles are approved, they embark on a journey across the globe. Coca-Cola's distribution network is so vast that in some remote parts of the world, you're more likely to find a bottle of Coke than a drinkable source of water. From the largest supermarkets in New York to tiny roadside stands in Africa, Coca-Cola has cemented itself as the most recognizable brand on the planet. But despite its reach and dominance, one burning question remains. So, now that you know exactly how Coca-Cola is made, do you still feel the same about drinking it? Whether you love it or question it, one thing is certain. This multi-billion-dollar empire isn't slowing down anytime soon. After all, at this point, Coca-Cola is less of a drink and more of a global addiction. What do you think? Should we be concerned about Coca-Cola's secret formula, or is it just great marketing at work? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.